I don't see why God couldn't issue such a command today. Think of World War II and what was happening in Nazi Germany. Why couldn't God issue a command to the nations of the free world to invade Germany and drive out or exterminate the Nazis? I don't see why he couldn't do that. Remember that he's not commanding Israel to simply go in and kill innocent people. Rather, these are incredibly wicked, abominable people who had committed capital crimes and whose just desert was death. And God had given them centuries to repent and change. He says to Abraham, I'm not going to give the promised land to you yet, because the iniquity of the Amorites, the people in the land, is not yet complete. And so he allowed his own people to languish for 400 years in Israel before their wickedness had become so irreversible, so abominable, that they were now ripe for judgment. And God used the Israeli army as a tool of his judgment upon the Canaanite tribes by driving them out of the land and divesting them of the promised land and giving the land over to Israel. And I see absolutely no reason to think that God couldn't order something like that with respect to some nation of incredible wickedness today.